Hello, everyone. Now, if laundry ever feels like a never ending battle with the stains, the odors, and maybe people in your home with sensitive skin, I have some great news for you. I want you to meet Norwex's newest powerhouse in our laundry lineup. This is our PowerZyme Laundry Detergent. This little bag has been a game changer in my house. It's not just a detergent, it is a complete solution for anyone looking to tackle laundry challenges without resorting to harmful chemicals or maybe adding a million products to the washer. And I've fallen in love with this over the last several months. So I'm going to tell you what makes it special. So PowerZyme has a unique formula because it is a powder. It also harnesses the power of four incredible enzymes. Subtilicin, which targets protein-based stains, think things like sweat, body oils, even blood. Amylase, which breaks down starches. Think starches from foods like chocolate and pasta sauce. Mononase, which tackles those sticky, gummy messes from different sauces or even dressings. And cellulase, which I find really fascinating because it keeps our fabrics looking fresh and reduces pilling and prevents graying. So these enzymes are truly like little superheroes that fight stains and odors at a microscopic level. And the best part is they work in cold water, warm water, even hot, making it perfect for any load that I've thrown at it. Now, PowerZyme does not just rely on those incredible enzymes. Its formula is packed with carefully selected ingredients that really make it a complete laundry solution. One of the ingredients is sodium carbonate, which is a cleaning agent. It's mineral based, and it's a powerful cleaner that tackles dirt and grime effectively. Sodium carbonate, which is a peroxide non-bleaching agent, which provides a gentle non-bleach brightening power to keep our whites white and our colors super bright. Also, sodium citrate, which is derived from plants, and it softens hard water, which is great for me. We have the worst hard water. And what it does is that enhances the cleaning performance, making it effective in any water type, no matter where you live. It also has sodium gluconate, which works to bind minerals in water, preventing deposits on fabric, boosting the detergent's performance, which is great. And I love the plant-based surfactants, so nothing toxic for my family. These surfactants lift and remove grease and stains from fabrics without leaving any harmful residues behind, which we don't want. It can dull our fibers. It can make our clothes not last very long. There's also some other ingredients that are activated in water to maintain the vibrancy of our clothes, and also ingredients that help protect our washing machine's components, adding durability to our appliance without breaking down any of those expensive parts, right? It also stabilizes the pH of the water, which is super cool. And that is needed with any product that has enzymes to make them work effectively. Now, I've talked a lot about enzymes and why they're amazing. Enzymes to me are, I know I said it before, they're like nature's little cleaning superheroes. They are biological catalysts, meaning they speed up the process of breaking down tough stains and grime, just like enzymes work in our bodies. And the best part, they work hard so we don't have to, and we don't have to throw a million products at a tough load of laundry. So let's talk about enzymes in a different perspective. So after a big meal, we might be faced with a really greasy pan. Scrubbing that pan would be tough if we didn't have any help. So we soak it in hot water and soap. And what happens? That grease starts to break apart. That's how enzymes work, but on a microscopic level in our laundry. Think of them like tiny scissors slicing through those stubborn stains like sweat, pasta sauce, everyday dirt and grime. With PowerZyme, these enzymes make the impossible laundry jobs seem effortless, leaving our gym clothes, our delicate sports uniforms, even whites looking fresh, bright, and super clean without all that extra effort or expense, like I said, using a million products. So I've had some great experience with this. I want to talk about some of my personal testimonies I live in an area with extremely hard water. On top of that, I deal with sweaty workout clothes. My boys have sports uniforms, which get filthy. We do delicates and even have uniforms with bold black and white stripes. Now, those can be really tricky to keep looking sharp. And I've been using PowerZyme on its own, no boosters, no extras, and the results have been nothing short of miraculous. I know it's saying a lot when it comes to laundry. Armpit stains, gone. My teenage son and my 3-year-old granddaughter both have very sensitive skin. And this detergent, being unscented and free of harmful ingredients, has really been a lifesaver. Now, recently, wearing this sweatshirt, I cooked up about 2 pounds of bacon for a big family breakfast. Who doesn't love bacon? But in all that excitement, I forgot to put on my apron. By the end of the day, I realized that this Norwex sweatshirt was covered in tiny bacon grease splatters. Thankfully, Norwex PowerZyme came to the rescue. It really did work magic, breaking down the grease and leaving my sweatshirt looking good as new. In fact, it looked better than new because it was brighter and more vibrant. Talk about a lifesaver. My friend Johanna, she had some incredible success recently using PowerZyme on her daughter's extremely muddy ski pants. It was amazing. Check out these results. And it was only PowerZyme she put in the wash. Now take a look at this rug. It's from my friend's kitchen. The transformation is unbelievable. The difference is really night and day. It's bright, it's clean. PowerZyme doesn't just stop at laundry. I've even started using it for household cleaning projects like soaking oven grates, which get really sticky and corroded with food. And it's worked wonders there too. I mean, who knew this laundry detergent could be so versatile and so effective? Now, you might be wondering, why should you choose Norwex over other traditional laundry detergents? So many mainstream laundry detergents, they are packed with harmful chemicals like SLS, phosphates, optical brighteners, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. These can be very damaging and irritating to our skin. They can harm our health. They can even pollute the waterways. Now, PowerZyme is different. It's 91% bio-based content, which means it's from plants and other renewable sources. It's safe for you and the planet. There's no fillers, no optical brighteners, or synthetic fragrances. It's also safe for anyone with septic systems, and it's biodegradable, which is a huge win-win for not only our family, but also the environment. And now, if you're anything like me, I did not know there was harmful ingredients lurking in my previous laundry detergents before Norwex. So I was 48 years old before I learned any of that. So this is proof that it's never too old to change. Plus, what I found out was that it's not even required for companies to list ingredients on their packaging of laundry detergents. And many detergent labels only tell us the classification of ingredients, but not the actual ingredients. And beware, there's products advertised as free and clear, safe and natural, which may contain harmful ingredients that actually mask the smells left behind in the fibers of our clothes. It literally masks the odors like a perfume, and it leaves behind a residue, all at the expense of our health. Now, we are starting to see some progress in addressing these harmful laundry ingredients, with New York State leading the way. In 2022, New York State became the first state to ban detergents containing high concentrations of 1,4-dioxane, a probable human carcinogen that's been found in drinking water supplies and comes from laundry detergent. This ban has forced manufacturers to reformulate the products that they're selling in those states, but they're still selling them in other states. Now, while this is a step in the right direction, it really highlights a bigger issue. There are many harmful chemicals in our everyday products that remain completely unregulated at the federal level. And here's the scary part: 1,4-dioxane isn't the only problematic ingredient in conventional detergents. Many contain phthalates, which are linked to hormone disruption, optical brighteners, which do not biodegrade and they're toxic to aquatic life. There's also SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, which can irritate the skin. It's terrible for people with sensitive skin. And also those nasty synthetic fragrances that release allergens and volatile organic compounds into the air of our home. The reality is, we can't just rely on legislation alone to protect our families from these harmful ingredients. Laws take time, Change takes time and enforcement can be really slow, but we don't have to wait. By choosing safer, eco-friendly options like PowerZyme, we can take control of what touches our skin, our children's clothes, our pet beds, and even what's washed into our waterways. With every load of laundry, we're not just cleaning and really cleaning well, we're protecting our health and also the environment. Now, you may be wondering why this is a better choice than, let's say, some of the other Norwex laundry detergents. We now have 4. So while all of our detergents are super fantastic, PowerZyme is a powder-based enzyme product, which really makes it unbeatable for tackling all types of stains and smells, like the really tough stuff, even in your toughest laundry challenges and also challenges linked to hard water. So if you're ready to elevate your laundry game while ditching those harmful chemicals, I encourage you to give PowerZyme a try. I promise if you add this to your laundry room, it is going to be the product you reach for time and time and time again. If you're already a Norwex fan, this is going to be an upgrade to your laundry room that it deserves, and so do you. So drop a comment if you've got any questions, or maybe share your toughest laundry challenge. I would love to help. And don't forget, like, subscribe, share, tag a friend who could use a little safe laundry in their life. Happy washing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you real soon.